Yes, welcome back to Facebook paid advert coaching with mobile phone part 2. So what you want to do is first of all just go ahead, open up your Facebook business suite to see your Facebook page. Once you see your Facebook page, what you want to do is create an advert. So you click on tools, then ads. Here, this is where you create your advert. So we have to click on create. Now you start with your goal in mind. What your goal is what will determine what you select in this phase. So if you want more leads, you go for more leads. Leads is for you want to get information from the viewer or from the student or from the audience. Anyone who sees the advert, you want to get information from them, like their email address, like phone numbers, and so on and so forth. You want to know what they think, so you get more leads. Then get more website visitors. This is if you have what we call a website and you want to refer people to that website from Facebook. So you click on get more website visitors. No matter the website, even if it's your YouTube channel, if it's your normal website, maindomain.com, anything, you can click on that. But if what you want is for people to call you, perhaps your business is for you need people to call you to put the call through, to be able to apply for your service or register for your service, then you go for get more calls. And if all you just want to do is promote your page, you just want your page to have more views, more likes, reach more people, then you click on promote page. But if you want to get more messages on WhatsApp, you click on get more WhatsApp messages. And also, if you want to you want people to come to you, you want people to inbox you on Messenger, you don't want them to go direct to anywhere, you just want them to inbox you on some things, then you click on get more messages. So now what we want to do is targeted ads. And in doing targeted ads, majorly for affiliate marketing, you need three things. And part of those three things is what we call a landing page. You don't just refer your clients or your customers or anybody directly to the link you are promoting. So you want you want a place where they come in, like a host, where you get to be able to talk to them normally, chat with them, and have rub minds with them, then sell to them. So in this case, you can either make it on your website, let it be that is a place on your website whereby you get to do those, or you make it your WhatsApp number, or you make it your Facebook inbox. So now we are going to use Facebook inbox so that we'll keep everything that we are doing right there on Facebook inbox. So we go with get more messages. Now you want to select your audience. You go down to the audience. Now I have a selected audience here already, but that's what I want. I want to create new audience. So you go to create new audience. Once you create new audience, you see you have to now put the location. You understand? So okay, we want people from only Lagos, for example, to see our ad. We want just people from Lagos, or just people from Kano or Kaduna to see our advert. So we go with a particular location. But now let's just say we want people from Nigeria alone to see this advert. So you delete this, then you put Nigeria. Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. Save. So now putting your location as Nigeria means that only people from Nigeria will actually see this course, this advert. Nobody anywhere again will see the advert. So You go down. You can also target people by address. You understand? You have a particular area, like for example, Lekki Phase 1, Banana Island, Surulere, particular places you want them to see that advert. You can do that by selecting address. But now we are going by region, which is Nigeria. So now we want the characteristics, which are what? The interest of the people that we want. What kind of people do we want? For example, we are doing affiliate marketing on, let's say, affiliate marketing on Jumia product. Maybe I sell um, kitchen items or home appliances. So I'm already having affiliate with Jumia, so I want to push that out and I want to do a targeted marketing or advert on that. So what I do is I search for people of that interest, people that are interested in whatever it is I want to push. For example, I want to push a pot or a set of pots and kitchen utensils. So what do I search for? I search for example, um, of course, mothers. Those are the people that will use these items. Shey you see, we start from mothers, people that will use the item. You can click on motherhood, or you can still go for um, you can go for another one. Let's say single mothers, single mothers. Now we want to go deeper so that we don't waste our time on adverts to people just anyhow. So you can search for kitchen. You can see kitchen people, that these are people that are interested in anything kitchen, kitchenware, kitchen aid, kitchen stove, kitchen pots. Okay, that's not allowed, that's not showing for us. So look at things that are close to kitchen, kitchen items. You put it in there. Let's look for kitchen cabinets. Like, verily, people that are interested in kitchen cabinet, kitchen items will what's it called, will likely want to buy stoves and the rest, pots and the rest. So put kitchen stove. These are people that are interested in what? These items. Now let's look for other things that we can include to get right what we want. Who else again? We want people that will buy this online, that use Jumia, that are interested in Jumia products, that will use Jumia to buy all these things. That's online buyers. So we can look for online. We can look for online shopping. You see, people that are interested in online shopping, people that want to buy kitchen items online shopping. You can look for Jumia. Let's see. You have Jumia, home delivery. So it's going to be targeting only people who are interested in these kinds of things. Then also we can look at people that are interested in cooking. So now we've added this to our account. Now we want to go deeper, reach specific audience by looking at their interests, activities and page they have liked. So let's go. Let's see. People want to now target people based on the things they have been doing online that Facebook has collated for some time. So you can see in the major list here, you have business and industry, entertainment, family and relationships, fitness and wellness, food and drink, hobbies and activities, shopping and fashion, sports and outdoor, technology. So the first thing we want to go for is, we can go into food and drink. Now, you see, in food and drink, we can look at cooking. Now, what kind of things? Cooking, baking. So we can choose these two. Surely there are people that are interested in all these things, so they might want to buy our pot, our set of pot utensils. Someone who is having restaurant also will be interested. Fast food restaurant, fast casual restaurant. These are people that will be interested in anything, anything kitchen utensils. So you have the cooking, you have chosen that. You have the food. So someone that is interested in food might not necessarily be interested in cooking. So we leave there. So we want to go into family and relationships. Let's see what we have there. Family and relationships. So we've chosen. You can see we've chosen motherhood already. We've chosen motherhood already. So it's already in the category. So now we are done with the whole. We've gone deeper. We've seen. We can okay. Let's check business and industry. Let's see the people we have there. Whether we can bring them in economics, entrepreneurship, management, marketing, online. You see, you can on people that are interested in online things. Let's see those who are interested in online things, digital marketing, email marketing, online marketing, online advertising, web design, this and that. So we don't really need people for that here. So we go back. Now we are done. You see, we've added more to it. So we go ahead and save. After saving this audience, it is always good to you save these characteristics of the audience, so it's always good to put the name of the audience you've saved there based on your goal. You understand? You can put the name there. You can say, okay, the audience this particular audience are kitchen people. You understand? Then you move the age range. Normally the age range is, you could have done a research before now on Facebook audience, but we can just go ahead to do this. The age range, let's say it's you don't expect someone that is 18 years old to be looking for how to buy pot online mostly. So we can start, let's say we can start from 20 years old down to, let's say, 45 years old. These people are likely to be those ones that are going to buy what we want. That's the age range. They are going to buy what we want. So now the next thing we want to do, the next thing is, which gender will be mostly interested in all this that we are trying to do, the advert we're trying to make, to be the women. So let's not waste our time disturbing ourselves choosing the men or choosing all. So we just go straight to the women, select women as your gender. Then you can save. You can see your estimated audience size is 6.5 million to 7.6 million. That means you can reach like 6 to 7 million people with this category that you have selected, with this targeted ad that you have done. So this ad now will be shown to only people in this category. So we show to only people in this category. No other person again will see it. So we save the audience. After saving the audience, you want to go down to set your budget. Now, setting budget depends on how much you have, but it's always good to have done a test ad to know whether this ad will come up well. So if you have done a test ad before now, which I have a video on that, how to do a test ad, you already know, okay, this my particular audience are the ones that are going to make sense. So I can shower $5 per day on them. I can shower $15 per day on them. So it depends on how much you have. So the minimum you want to use is $2 per day, which although you can reduce it, but it's better you start with $2 per day for 5 days, depending on how long you want it to be. You can set the days here, whether you want 4 days or 2 days. But any advert that is less than 4 days does not perform really well. So it's better you do advert from 4 days and above. You understand? From 4 days and above. So let's choose advert for 5 days. So that means this ad, you can say run this ad on Instagram. If you want it to run on Instagram also, you click this place. But if you don't want it to run on Instagram, you off it, you toggle it off. But if you want it to also show on Instagram, depending on your customer base, you must have done research on where your customers are. So if your customers are also on Instagram, then you open it Instagram. You understand? You can see how the Instagram preview is, but we're not into that right now. So we are going now. You can see your account here. You can see your account balance here. If you want to add more money, perhaps from your calculation it's not enough because you need $10 to do this ad. So you need to add more money. You can add more money here. When you've done adding more money, then you click on promote now. So you can see it's telling me my money is too small to what's it called? It's too little to boost this ad or to carry out this ad. Now, not forgetting the images involved here. Now we are done setting the main audience of the ad. Now going back to we need to set the main ad now itself. That's the pictures, what they will see, the write-up, which will actually attract people to carry out the task you want, which is whether to like your picture or whether to click towards those things and buy them, or send you message in your inbox for you to now start discussing with them. So that will be done in the next video. Stay tuned.